The following unit, students, I think it's very, very useful because it'll be very realistic. Okay. What you will be learning is you will be learning about finances. Okay. You will learn how to balance your budget. In fact, we usually conduct a field trip for this unit, but because of the COVID situation, we will not be conducting a field trip. We will be doing a virtual field trip, if you can call it like that. Okay. So basically, this week, starting today, you will be learning about different key terms. For example, have you ever heard of career clusters or career paths? Let me just read the screen. A career cluster, let me explain to you what that is. That's a grouping of jobs and industries related by knowledge and skills. Career path, a series of classes or experiences intended to help students achieve a career in certain occupations. Last but not least, career. A career is work that matches a worker's interest, values, and abilities. Okay? So what you will be doing is, let me go to Schoology to show you, okay? To show you how Schoology will look for you. All right. So when you go to Schoology, you will see the warm-up. You must complete the warm-up, okay? Then after the warm-up, the key terms that I just went over, if you click this, you will see those key terms again. See, there's the key terms that I just went over. Okay. After you complete the key terms, then what you must do is you must go to career clusters. You will have to download this PDF form. Okay. And then what you will do is you will email it to me or upload it to Schoology and send it to me through Schoology. Okay. So this is how the worksheet looks like. Let me go ahead and download it just to show you. Okay, it's taking a little bit longer than expected. There it is. You will be able to fill out this information. Okay, so you're going to go over the other file that I sent you, and you're going to go ahead and write here the definition for career cluster, which I went over already. Career pathway, and career. Okay, so after you do that, what I want you to do is I want you to read this section here in Explore Career Investigations. There's two links that I want you to use because I want you to research different career paths. Okay, so you're going to click on this and you're going to see different careers. What I want you to do is I want you to start looking at careers that you're interested in. For example, let's say that I am interested in architecture or construction. Then I would click there and I get information here about different type of information about the career that I'm interested in. Okay, so here's, you can read this yourself, but here's basically information. You can click on it, you can explore the website, and basically what I want you to start doing is start thinking about a job that you want. Okay, because later you will need to select a job based on these career pathways for your project that you will be doing in this class. Okay, but again, look at this and just look at it and just get the information. Okay, also you're going to look at the Bureau of Labor Statistics Occupation Outlook Handbook here, and this basically tells you stuff like let's say that let's go back to architecture. Let's say that you're interested, you can find architecture, you can find if it's in demand, not in demand, you can find the pay and stuff like that. Okay, after you do that, then you're going to go ahead and fill out the selected careers. Okay, because I want you to select a couple that you like and then fill this out. Okay, once you fill this out, then you answer these 3 questions to wrap it up, and then you email it to me. Okay, If you have any questions, remember students, you can always send me an email and I'm there to assist you. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.